Hey, what's up, Google Plus people? I'm just gonna make a video solving my Rubik's Cube, so hope you enjoy it. Alright. Okay. See if I can get this really good. Just the camera. Okay. Make sure you'll be able to see it. Okay, let me just put it up more. There we go. Okay, that's good. So you see me mixing it up right now. Okay. Time is at 0 seconds. Here's the cube all mixed up. Okay. Okay, so the cube is solved. White side, yellow side, pink, orange, blue, green, all solved. And that was 23 seconds, 0.08, whatever. Yeah, 23 seconds, 0.08. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Alright, see you guys later.